In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So what you need to do is open up a web browser and then type in VirtualBox. From here, you can then go to the VirtualBox website, which is virtualbox.org. After you've clicked on that, you will see the website and a big download button. You can click on this one or the one at the top of the page. Then it's going to ask you what platform package you want to download. I'm going to download Windows hosts. Then it will download the installation wizard. From here, we can go ahead and run the installation wizard. Then it is a very simple installer. We can click next through this. You need to accept the terms and agreement, and you can go ahead and click next here. Then click yes to any warnings. It's just going to say it's going to disconnect you from the Wi-Fi shortly. We can then click next again, and you can choose if you want start or desktop shortcuts. Then click install. It will start the installation process. And just like that, it has been installed. You can either check or uncheck this depending on if you want to start VirtualBox straight away. Here it is. We can then go ahead and click new, and you can then create a new virtual machine. I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on this virtual machine with the link in the description below or on screen now.